So today I am going to do a Target Dollar Spot shop with me and haul. You get 2 in 1 today. I stepped away for just a moment. As you can see, I'm in my car. And I wanted to take you guys in there to see what they've got. They've got so many cute things that I've seen online, so I had to see for myself, and I want to see what I can get. And yeah, it should be a lot of fun. It's perfect for the season. Get you guys ready to decorate. So let's get started.
a shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say. No need to overanalyze it. We grew apart more every day. When times get rough, I try to tell you we need to fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, simple as I say.
Smells so good. Look at the maple caramel. Smells so
Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say. Oh, simple as I say.
Okay guys, so I did the Target dollar spot and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Yes, I am still in my car because as soon as I get home, I know the kids are gonna bombard me. So I wanna show you everything right now. So I didn't get a lot of Thanksgiving fall stuff because I'm trying to do more simplistic decorating in my home. But for Halloween, I wanted to add some cute things and they had some really cute stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I got. You saw everything, you saw what they had, so I'm gonna kind of show you. So that was my shop with me, and this is my haul. So I'm gonna show you. So I got these pumpkins. I think they are so cute, and these were $3. And I love these. They're like little filler pumpkins, and I just placed them around the house just to kind of give pops of Halloween. Then I got this pumpkin. This was $3. This one, I love glitter, you guys. I'm a girl who loves some glitter. That one. And then this one, I like this one. I might go ahead and put this one out because I love it. And then I thought this was freaking hilarious. So when I saw this, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. And it was $1. Nothing personal, but if zombies chase us, I'm tripping you. That is hilarious to me because, yeah. Then I got this. This is an inside joke in my house. It says, I told you I was sick. This is funny because I went through a season after Noah where I was sick all the time. And I mean all the time. Every day I felt unwell. And then I developed asthma and severe allergies and sinusitis, and another day, another story. But every day I would say, I'm sick, I don't feel good, I'm sick. And so I would tell my husband, I'm like, I say it so much you're not gonna believe me. You can't believe me. So when I would get like sicker than I usually feel, and like where I needed to like lay down, because you know when you're sick and you're a mom, you still have to do what you got to do. So when I would get like really bad, I'm like, I told you I was sick. Or they would get sick, I would be like, I told you I was sick. It's like I felt almost better when my family would get sick, because then they would know like I'm not just saying I'm sick not to not do stuff. Like, I told you I was sick. So this was hilarious to me. I told you I was sick. So this is funny. Praise God, I don't feel like that now. I have my days. I have days where I go where I just don't feel well at all. And I'm constantly, like, I'm getting my thyroid checked again. I'm getting everything checked. But, like, I just go through stages where I just don't feel good. And I think it's, like, allergies. I just don't feel good. I don't know. So, and then I got this, and I thought this was super, super cute. This was $3. The tombstone was $1. The zombie sign was $1. All of the pumpkins, including the cluster of pumpkins, were $3. This was $3. And this is supposed to go next to your sink for like your sponge, but I'm actually going to use it for my stove because I need like a spoon rest when I'm cooking, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to put the spoon right here. I thought that'd be really cute on my stove. If you guys are new with me, I love cats. I love cats. Have you guys seen that video where that chick is doing that eHarmony or that Match.com? I think it's eHarmony. I don't know. And she goes on and on about how much she loves cats, and she starts to cry. Let me know if you guys seen that video. If not, I'm going to get the link and I will put it in my description box because it is hilarious. She goes on and on like, you're just so cute and I just want to hug them, and she's like crying on a dating show or on a dating video about how much she loves cats. So, but I love cats. I love cats and dogs. I love all animals, but I love that little black cat. I thought it was super cute. I cannot wait to show you how I decorate for Halloween. I am loving this year's stuff. I feel like Target is stepping it up. Every single year, they are stepping up their game. They're doing so well. You saw the fall stuff. I thought it was really, really cute, but I don't want to add any more fall stuff, and I'm going to wait till it goes half off. That's what I will usually do. It is very rare for me to go ahead and buy stuff now, but I figured with all of the YouTubers posting their Target dollar spots, and it was already getting pretty sparse, I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in there now, get what I really want, and then I will really start collecting more stuff once they go half off. I am on the hunt for a cupcake stand, and I know the Target dollar spot usually has them, so if you guys know where I can get one, let me know. My Target does not. My Target is also under renovation, so everything is just a mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me and Halloween fall haul. And if you guys are new with me, don't forget to subscribe. I do videos like this all the time, as well as weekly cleaning motivation and all things motherhood. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.